Here's the bridge that I usually go across when I'm running. Crossing over, can either take the trail to Crockett or go to the YMCA on Concord, and this is what it looks like. Here's a car in the parking lot. It's not doing too bad, but the one earlier that was out here, you can barely see the top of the car. And here's the equipment that was piled up earlier. It's half under the water. You can see it's starting to rain again. Now if we want to take a little jaunt from the park here over to Crockett, we'd have to tread water. Isn't it ironic now? This park fits its name. Look at nature made a little bit of artwork over here. Looks like an eagle.